pods. So that is just some of the reasons why I think it's very important to have a certified Volvo technician whenever we're doing a survey on Volvo IPS pods. And I'm going to give you a quick look at a Volvo IPS pod here so you can see, hopefully. So this entire unit, you see dual propellers, which dramatically improves efficiency. And as you can see, this entire unit rotates, and I hear my Volvo technician on the other unit working on a steering seal inspection as well. Volvo IPS pods, really next generation. They're becoming really the de facto standard on many yachts, and that's all Absolute has ever used in the history of the company, is the Volvo IPS propulsion system. So it's very efficient, it's very maneuverable, but it does add some mechanical complexity, so it's important to have a certified technician and not just a marine surveyor, in my opinion.